What's up, guys?
Yeah, we just started the video.
So
Cut! Cut all
no,
of it.
don't add the cut into the video like you did last time.
Oh yeah, I already started it.
Then redo it. Redo it. Oh,
1 second. I just need something to hold up the camera.
Get on our jacket.
Hold it,
Get
that's
on
fine.
our jacket.
No, words. Put that one.
I want.
Put something to hold up the camera. Me. I'm gonna get a copyright ban because of all of you saying Allah Akbar. Okay. Stop it. Okay, everyone sit.
First.
Okay, I guess Ronan wants to be the
first.
cameraman.
First player, join.
No, I'm just gonna.
Okay, what's up? We're going to eat this giant chocolate bar.
But in one piece. Yeah, because we don't want to get some.
Diabetes!
Yeah, because I have diabetes.
And how to root, and I am the cameraman. Frost Phoenix, and
So is
And-
I add mango juice right Mango. If you don't see my videos, check it out. But my iPad broke.
because of ISIS and Holy Arceus, and it's right here.
I can't make the video because it's broken.
Yeah, it's like broken. It's kaput.
Okay.
Oh, damn.
Take a piece, Isis man. Take a piece.
Yo, Ronan, why'd you just? Can I have one? Yo, send me. Send me. Oh yeah, boys.
It tastes like turd. If you know this chocolate, that's in commercials. That's in a commercial.
Oh god.
Ew.
Bro,
This is old, Christian.
why is it so hard?
How?
It's so hard.
Oh yeah, Frost Phoenix is actually his real name's Ronan. Okay, we're just gonna
ISIS, man. ISIS.
It's done wrong. It's so hard. Okay, bye everyone.